That scene was boring and confusing, right? That's probably due to the lack of sound in that scene. Sound is often overlooked in film, but it's usually what makes a scene so great. Two aspects of film I'm talking about today is Foley and music. Foley sound was a technique pioneered by Jack Foley. It was the technique of creating and adding sounds in post-production. This technique can be used to create any sound for any occasion. For example, the walking and twig snapping sounds in this scene are all made of Foley. The Foley in the scene worked effectively because it put the character into the world and gave their actions meaning. Music is a strong impact in film. It can change a scene entirely by setting mood and emotion. If you fail to fit the music in the scene, you'll end up with a scene that doesn't work at all, like this. This music gives the scene a more comedic tone, which most audiences would say that wouldn't fit. Unlike this scene. While this scene adds much more of an intense and urgent tone to our character which is running, I think this works better. Now let's see what other people think of sound.
My name's Tabitha Manderson, I'm 17 and I go Havering Sixth Form College.
Hello, I'm Ben Lander, I'm a Havering Sixth Form student. I'm nearly 18 years old.
I'm Jack, I'm 18 and I'm attempting to specialise in writing for television. Of course, it's easier to control emotion with music than it is if it was just...
Very. I think it's probably one of the most important things in filmmaking, because I think film and sound, when you have sound in film, it adds to the story, it adds more emotion.
Ish.
Like an 8 or a 9, because I feel like, I mean I don't really watch a lot of silent films, but I feel like without like music or sound, like any sort of sound, even dialogue in it, it's kind of boring, like you can't really get the gist of it.
That's a hard question. Give it a solid 8. All a mix, I think, but I'd probably say production.
Either production or post-production.
Many varied answers. Thank you for watching Why Sound So Important. Now I'll let you enjoy the final scene.